位置喺將軍澳啊，呢個係天晉滙 Popwalk 3啊，第3期啊。咁呢，我都未嚟過嘅。This is in Tseung Kwan. I have never been here before. 咁啊咁啱頭先啱啱咧就見到個職員咧行開咗啊，所以即刻過嚟望一望。Pizza Hut。The staff has just walked away so that I didn't have time to visit this place before I actually going in. 惠康嚟喎呢度。有間惠康唔得意啊！好啦，咁快出得返嚟。There was supermarket。呢度出面會唔會有啲有睇頭嘢呢？係冇嘅 ，nothing here。好啦，冇乜特別喎，真係。落返去啦。So I see some education centers as well. Another education center. This is a fast food shop. Nursery. I hope you guys didn't see me in the mirror. Oh, nothing here as well. That's too bad. 以為有啲嘢睇嘅添，原來呢個 Popwalk 3係真係一蟹不如一蟹啊！呢個最流呢一個啊 so far。Okay. Popwalk 3 is actually worse than what I've expected. Because I visited Popwalk 1 and Popwalk 2 just now, and I think the decoration is very nice, and I expect Popwalk 3 is at the same level, but actually not. So they are mostly education centers, a few restaurants, and they are not high-ended. They are not high-end restaurants as well. They are just like Pizza Hut and fast food shop. 咁啊，仲有間超級市場啦 ，and a supermarket as well。咁啊，所以我就覺得都幾失望咯。即係我原本諗住，喂 ，Popcorn 1、2都Popwalk 1、2都 OK 啊。咁呢個可能都唔錯啩。原來咧淨係得扎補習社、興趣班，有2間快餐店同埋一個普通惠康嘅超級市場，連 marketplace 都唔係啊。 好啦，咁呢段片就呢度啦，多謝大家收睇。So this video will end here. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.